Chicken burger और लेडी से दो क्या बोला बोला
Okay. For the starter, we had a chicken tikka roast and it was delicious.
नहीं फ्राइड नहीं कुछ जो क्लेव बना पड़ा पता फ्राइड खाली पूरी फ्राइड है
So we ordered some lentils known as dal, yellow rice. There was a chicken karai and prawn rangon josh and lamb buna and some boiled rice. Also some buttery naan bread. Dessert was vanilla ice cream with strawberry sauce. Farsi. So this was in Cafe Nero. They had a selection of desserts including cheesecakes and some cream-filled cakes. The cafe was really busy. So this is inside the Trafford Centre in Manchester. It was decorated nicely with some lights. Here was a selection of women's Michael Kors watches. The palm trees are very nice in the Trafford Centre. I don't know if they are real trees or if they are fake, but they have made them to look quite real, which is nice. In the middle section of the centre there is various different stalls selling different things, like some of those were selling perfume, some were selling aromatherapy items. I do like this part of the centre. A lot of it seems quite elegant looking, and I like the big staircases. There was a lot of people in the shopping centre, but that's because it was in December. We then did a bit of shopping in a local cash and carry in Oldham. And that's it for today. Please remember to like and subscribe for more. Thank you.